Good morning to everyone. We are going to do GK today, that's fine. But before that, we will talk about the SST project that I told you about the SST project. We have to work on the state of Punjab.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
That's
ma'am.
now this is the time to work upon. Good morning. This is the time to work upon that project. So everyone has to decide what one has to do. Has your class teacher told you anything about this project?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So she'll also tell you, she's also going to tell you something that has to be done, how it has to be done, and you also have to share your ideas with me. Okay. Next class again you have with me. So in the next class, in the next 10 minutes break that you'll have after this class, you have to sit and think that what you are going to do, how you are going to do. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we can tell us about its beauty festivals.
Ma'am, I will speak on with their traditions.
Ma'am, I will speak on the culture.
Yes, ma'am. I also, culture.
I will speak on the important monuments and the places.
Write it down on a piece of paper. Just write it down. Or, okay, do one thing. Send it in the chat box. What you are going to do?
Ma'am, personally?
No, not personally. To everyone. I'll take a picture of that. I want everyone's input. What you are going to speak on.
Ma'am, everybody is saying on culture.
What is everyone doing?
Ma'am, everyone is speaking on culture.
Yes, ma'am, everybody.
No, wait.
Tradition.
Ma'am,
See, Varin
Ma'am,
Goyal says,
Ma'am, I don't know how to send the message from computer to the chat box. Ma'am, please tell.
See, beta, there are, when you will click on the black screen where everybody is appearing. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You have that option chat just beside.
Ma'am, I have typed all the thing, but I cannot send.
Just enter it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, entered.
Entered?
Yes, ma'am.
But it has not come in the chat box.
Ma'am, come.
Devarya, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me read what everybody is doing. Ma'am, what we have to do in the project? Abhimanyu, we have to do, you have to prepare a small video in which you can also stand and speak about your state. Okay? You can enact something, you can put any kind of dance, or if you want to share some slides, it is going to be a project that has to be made on your mobile only. Okay? It is not a 3D project.
A speech?
Yes, you can talk about anything, but any one thing. Don't cover up all the topics. Why? Because I'm going to merge all the students videos. Okay? You have to prepare your project on one topic. Now suppose
I will speak on Punjab's culture, tradition, and religion.
now why three things? Why three things? You have to choose just one thing. Culture has already been taken up by Prasoon Gangwar. So culture goes to Prasoon Gangwar. He was the first one to type. Okay, Utsav, you have to change your Iramnaz, you have to change yours. Varun Goyal is going to speak on festivals. So festivals are final for Varun.
Ma'am, I will speak
Then
on
Ashvik,
religion.
Ashvik is going to speak on the food of the state. Okay, Ashvik, your food is final. Then let me see. Utsav Gangwar will speak on clothes. Very good. Abhimanyu, you please take one thing that is,
Ma'am?
yes,
Ma'am, have you gotten my message?
Lakshita. Yes, Lakshita will speak on all the traditional things. Very nice. Okay, Lakshita Gangwar, your traditional things is final. Then Dev Arya will speak on places and monuments. Very nice, Dev Arya. Very good topic.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I cannot change my thing culture, ma'am, because I have prepared on it.
You have prepared also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll have 2 children speaking on culture. Okay.
Okay.
Now, children, also one thing, you have to speak on many things. Not only see this part that you have chosen, this is all the SST part. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to add on some information, the geographical information. See, I'll tell you, just wait. What I'm asking, what I'm trying to tell is,
We have to prepare big paragraph or small lines.
because see, you can prepare just small lines. Anything that you are speaking on,
Okay, ma'am.
you can prepare small lines, and you have to also include pictures in your presentation. Okay, pictures will play a
Ma'am,
very important role. Fine.
Ma'am, ma'am, we have to make a video then send to
See,
it to
I'm going to share a video with you. A student has prepared something on the state of Sikkim. Everybody has this thing. Your what do you say? Your phones with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just sharing a video with you.
Phone and laptop both.
Ma'am, screen share or
No, not
Yeah.
screen share.
WhatsApp?
Not screen
Ma'am, but
share.
my net is very. Ma'am, but I have very come net, so I cannot download it.
You have very come
If I
net.
will download, I yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have
Very
a very good network.
Let me see if I can show it here on what this thing on screen here. I don't know if I'll be able to.
okay, ma'am. Then you send it on WhatsApp only. If you can't share it, if you can't screen share it. Okay.
Can you people see any screen?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
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 Ma'am, it is not showing only, ma'am. You are viewing the ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, only you are.
I'm only coming.
Ma'am, what you are going to show?
I'm going to show you one such project that has been made by a student. I just hope it plays. It's a video. It's a small
Ma'am,
video.
we can
Yes.
speak on our state or other state also.
No, your state is only Punjab. Share screen. Share screen. Share
Okay, ma'am.
screen. No, it's not being shared.
So, ma'am, you send it on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, you
If
can
you
send it. Ma'am, you can allow me screen share and send it to my personal.
Can you listen to anything?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Not so
No,
much
ma'am.
is
Okay.
visible, ma'am. We can only see listen you.
All
We
right.
can only
So let's
see
just
you.
skip this idea. I'm going to oh, I had this option share. Now can you
Yes.
see something?
Ma'am, now, yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
now-
Ma'am,
Yes.
it is written here, power has started the screen sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see this? Cool.
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, ma'am,
No,
it is
ma'am,
only
it is
written
showing
here,
here,
power
power has
started.
started the screen sharing.
But no.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Now
it is coming.
Okay.
Now
See.
Ma'am, the voice is not coming.
voice is
Ma'am, the voice is not coming.
ma'am, voice is not coming.
Okay.
Ma'am, voice is not coming.
Just take a rough idea. He's speaking a few lines on Sikkim. He has dressed up in the costume of Sikkim and he is giving a presentation on the state of Sikkim. Now see, he has shared these pictures of Sikkim. Okay?
बोल क्यों पड़ी?
Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to do something of the same kind. When you prepare your video, when you prepare your presentation, you have to include yourself also so that everyone can see what is your contribution or which child's contribution is towards which presentation. Fine?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are also going to form groups on this. We are also going to form our groups on this.
So, ma'am, when we will form?
When we will form, shall we do it today only?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Yes,
do
ma'am.
it.
Yes, ma'am. Next period
Okay.
is also yours.
Yes,
We will.
next is also mine. So we have food. Now, what all heads do we have? We have food, we have culture, we have
Ma'am,
costume,
festival.
we have
Festival.
festival, and what else do we have?
Ma'am, we have tradition.
Tradition and religion,
Ma'am, food.
tradition and religion, and one more thing,
Food.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
food.
buildings.
Ma'am, monuments.
Devaria, what was your topic?
Ma'am, monuments and places.
Yes, monuments,
Ma'am.
and places. And that's all? Are these all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for monuments and places, I have Devarya. For food, who is going to speak on food? Ashvik?
Ma'am, Ashwin.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashvik.
Ma'am,
Then who is going to speak on culture?
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am.
Iram.
Utsav and Iram.
Iram and Prasun. Prasun was also there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Prasun. Then costumes,
Ma'am, I.
Utsav.
Ma'am, costume.
Then festival,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I.
festival. Varan.
Varan.
Varan. Then we have tradition and religion, that we have Abhimanyu. Okay. Now, how many students are left? We have Krishna Jaiswal, Adrika Shingal, Jayesh, Anshuman, Gunagya, Devansh Rai. Children, what are you going to speak on? Tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, a message came from Devansh that he will speak on languages.
He will speak.
Ma'am, Devansh is speaking about languages.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I speak about
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, children, see, we can't increase these heads. let's have food and languages together. Okay, because what much can you speak about language? Let's have food and language together. Ashvik, are you listening to me? Everybody open your cameras. Jayesh, what are you going to speak on, beta? Lakshita, I have not written your name anywhere. What are you speaking on?
Ma'am, I'm going to speak on traditional things.
Traditional things.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I'm going to speak.
Lakshita. Jayesh, what are you speaking on?
Ma'am, I speak with monuments.
Monuments. Okay, so we have Jayesh over here. Then Iramnaz. Iramnaz? Okay, Iramnaz, her name is there. Who is left? Adrika Shingle. What are you speaking on?
Ma'am, and Gunagya Singh.
Mom, I am in out of station. Mom, I am in Shahjahanpur at my nanny's house.
So when will you return from there?
Mom, I don't know.
You don't know. So you cannot. So can you not prepare it there only? Can you not prepare this project work at your nanny's place?
I will try.
Each one of you has to participate. Okay, Rachit Singh. Rachit Singh, what are you going to speak on? Panshul Mishra and Mohammad Zian Ansari. Who is Panshul Mishra? Beta, I think you have joined wrong link. This is class 4th going on. Agrim Verma, open your camera. Beta, let's finalize this work today.
Ma'am, Gunagya has a message that he is speaking on food.
Ma'am, he can speak on food, Gunagya.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell when till which date we
When?
have
Now
to.
you've got 3 days with you to prepare it. Okay? You have to prepare it very nicely. Try to dress up in a Punjabi attire like how you saw that boy in Sikkim costume. Okay?
Yes,
And
ma'am. Ma'am, please tell the date.
yes.
Ma'am, please tell the date. Till which
Today
date?
is what date? Tell me.
Ma'am, 22. Ma'am,
22nd.
22.
So by
Yes, ma'am.
27th or 28th of December, it should be ready.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am. We have to make a video. Then you
Gunagya.
will combine it with all
Yes. First, you have to
students
send me
video.
very nice videos, individual videos. Okay? First of all, in the video, everyone will tell his or her description. Fine?
Ma'am, what is description?
The details, who you are, about yourself, and what you're going to speak on. Which class are you from? Fine?
Okay. Okay.
Agrim Verma, what are you going to speak on, beta? See, you have so
Ma'am,
many
what?
options. You've got options like places and monuments of Punjab, food and language of Punjab, the culture of Punjab, costumes of Punjab, then festivals, and last traditions and religion. So what are you going to speak on? Rachit Singh's name has not come. Agrim's name is not there. Today Anshuman is also missing from the class. I have written Dev, Jayesh, Ashvik, Gunagya, Iramnaz, Prasun, Utsav, Varin, Abhimanyu, and Lakshita. Am I missing any name?
Ma'am, Anshuman.
See, now who all is left?
Ma'am,
To tell me.
Anshuman.
Krishna, tell me what are you going to speak on?
Yes.
Krishna, Rachit, Agrim, and who is left?
Ma'am, Anshuman.
Adrika,
Ma'am,
Adrika, and Anshuman. So all these students have to decide what they will speak on, and they have to tell me tomorrow, latest by tomorrow. Done? Any queries about this project work?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Adrika, you want to ask something?
Please, can you give me some options, ma'am? That can I make video?
Option. You have to choose any one option. Your topics are costumes of Punjab, festivals of Punjab. Choose any one. Costumes and this thing, festival. Rest, they all have booked. So we will have two groups, two complete groups. One group, we have students, Dev, Ashwik, Iram, Utsav, Varin and Abhimanyu. One group has been formed. The other group has to be formed.
I will choose festivals of Punjab.
Okay, I'm writing your name in festivals. Adrika.
Ma'am, I also in festival.
Yes, so we have two groups, no? Varin, we've got two groups.
Okay, ma'am.
From your class, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students in one group. Fine. Now let's see if we have more
Okay, ma'am.
strength, we can have 3 groups in all.
What will I have to do?
You will have to prepare a short video telling about the festivals that are celebrated in Punjab, what kind of festivals are celebrated, what do people like to wear and eat on those festivals, how they are celebrated. You can collect a few pictures in your presentation to show the festivals, okay? And then you can speak a little. You can add on a little historical view on those festivals, why this festival is celebrated. These kind of details can be added, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Any other query?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, I will.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, that groups you have, ma'am, these groups you have made, ma'am, so we have to work on it
You have to
by
work.
group. Ma'am, we have to work on it as a group.
You have to better prepare yourself. Your individual presentations have to be made, and then those presentations will be merged later, okay? You have to prepare your part. My part will be done after you finish and you submit your thing to me. Fine?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And now we can start the quiz.
Ma'am, now we can start our GK revision.
Ma'am,
Yes,
now we
now
can
we'll
Yes,
start
ma'am.
our GK revision.
that we
Yes,
are
ma'am, ready.
doing in our previous class.
Yes. I was asking you questions now.
Yes, ma'am. From the test paper.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Today
ready
also you will
for
have
question.
questions from test paper or from whole book.
Now, children,
Ma'am,
see your
test paper.
syllabus. Have you come to know your syllabus for your finals?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so the syllabus for your finals is
Ma'am of GK.
yes, of GK. You've got all these test papers coming in your finals. Then you
Test
have
paper.
yes. Then you will have the problem solving skills
Yes, ma'am.
and the world around us.
Ma'am, these three
Which
things.
unit, ma'am? Which
Yes.
unit?
These 3 units. Full unit.
Ma'am, which?
Beta, just
can
a
you-
second. Just a second. I will just confirm.
Ma'am, from test paper also it is coming. The
Yes,
question.
test papers will also
Start.
come. It is very easy.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
we
questions
can
which are
start
in the text
our
paper only.
Yes, the questions that are in the
which are
test
in the
papers only.
test
The world
paper.
around us, problem solving skills, and test papers. This is your syllabus for finals.
Ma'am, it is very easy.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, page number 43
Yes, ma'am.
to 61. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ready. Ma'am, now we can start.
Prasun,
Ma'am,
what's wrong,
nature
beta?
will also come.
Are you fine,
Nature
Prasun?
will also come.
What will also come?
Ma'am, nature.
Nature. No, nature is not coming.
So, ma'am, why you have
Ma'am,
said
from page number
43 to
30 to
61?
Beta, I'm saying
Yes, ma'am.
43. 43 to 61.
Ma'am,
Oh,
43.
okay. That is from some other book. I don't have class 4 books index. I was looking at the index of class 3.
Ma'am,
But you have the world around us, problem solving skills, and test papers. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Page number
In the test
50
papers,
till
there are questions from the whole book. So only those questions will come, or from other units also.
Sorry?
Um,
What are you saying?
ma'am, I
In
can tell.
test papers,
Ma'am,
there
I
are
can tell you the index.
No. In test papers, whatever questions are given in the test papers, those questions will only come.
ma'am, only that will come.
Yes, only that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And
yesterday,
and
ma'am, yesterday I learned all the test papers.
Very nice, very good. Now let's see who answers first. Okay, you have to type the
Okay,
answer
ma'am,
in the
ready.
chat box.
Okay, ma'am. Utsav Nacha.
Now,
can we do
Yes, we are doing quiz. We are doing the quiz only. Now, the first question for the quiz is
ma'am, we have to send answer to you personally or to everyone.
personally.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to send me the answer privately.
What is the meaning of quiver?
What is? Yes.
Message आया देखो. Hello, your plan postpaid bill payment is rupees.
Beta, mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. What is going on?
Green side is coming.
1 December.
So I said mute yourself.
I'm the network is very slow.
Ma'am, you can mute him.
Yes, I will only do it. Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Now start.
Now start. The first question is, the skull encloses which part of the body? Type it in the chat box. Let me see who answers first.
Who is the first?
ma'am, who is the
Ma'am,
first?
who is the first?
Okay. Right answers from everyone. Only Jayesh, beta, your answer is wrong. This is not the correct answer.
Ma'am, who is
Skull
the first?
encloses the brain.
Ma'am, who is the first?
Okay, what I'll do now, I will let the suspense be. I will disclose it in the end that who was the first one. I will keep marking the points with myself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please
Yes,
tell
yes,
me.
yes,
Ma'am, this will be done.
Next
Ma'am,
question.
this is not. Ma'am, suspense, I don't
The
like.
next question is, the name of which desert means waterless place in Mongolian?
Ma'am, please tell me. Only 9 minutes are left.
9 minutes is a long time.
Ma'am, 9 minutes are not long time.
Okay, next question. What is the study of earthquakes called? What is the study of earthquakes called? Be quick.
What is the
Ma'am, who is the first?
This is suspense. Ma'am
is
will tell in the
suspense.
end.
Huh?
Ma'am, Devansh was asking ma'am who is the first.
Okay, this time the first is somebody else. This time we have somebody else on the first position. All green plants have which pigment?
Ma'am, I like this kind of suspense.
Yes, ma'am, I also.
Wow. Now there is a tie going on between two students.
Oh shit. I have to be the first.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, the third question is,
Ma'am, the fifth question.
Ma'am, I am disconnected.
no, you are there. Can you listen to
Ma'am,
me? Yes.
before this I was disconnected.
Now you are connected, don't worry.
Ma'am
Okay.
is not tell the question, don't worry.
Before 1972, Sri Lanka was known by which name?
Ma'am, can you tell the ma'am, can you tell the ma'am who is the first in the ma'am in the 2 minutes? Ma'am, no, ma'am, please, ma'am, the last of the
Ma'am, please do not tell.
Ma'am, Dave is good. Ma'am, Dave.
Okay. Now this time there was altogether a different student giving this answer. Then, who among them was the founder of Mughal dynasty in India? Humayun, Akbar, Babur, Shah Jahan. Wow, very nice. Again, another student.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Who was the founder of the Mughal dynasty? Babur, Shah Jahan, Humayun, or Akbar? Okay. Then, ready for the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the keeper of a museum called? Okay. Then, what is the fixed path called around which a planet or satellites move? What is the fixed path known as? Again, a tie has been created this time between two students.
Ma'am, I don't like this suspense.
The correct answer is orbit. Beta, the correct answer to this one is orbit. By what name was Sri Lanka known before 1972? The answer was Ceylon.
Ma'am, Cylon.
Yes. And Iramnaz, you typed cyclone. Your answer is cyclone in the chat box. And yes.
Ma'am, now please tell who is
Wait,
winning.
I have 3 more questions, children. 3 more questions.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please tell.
Okay.
Ma'am, please.
By what name is Peking known now? By what name is Peking known now? Beijing is not the answer.
Ma'am, what?
Beijing, somebody has sent the answer Beijing. Okay. Then the next question is, which computer key is pressed to write in the uppercase? Very good, very good. Okay, the answer is caps lock.
Ma'am, now please tell.
In which sport the term free kick is used?
Ma'am, 3 questions are done. Ma'am,
Three more.
No, ma'am.
What is the study of animals called?
Ma'am, what?
What is the study of animals called? Animals. Which country is known as the land of midnight sun? Not land of rising sun, it is the land of the midnight sun.
Ma'am, land of midnight sun.
The land of midnight sun. What is it called? What is the name of that country? Tell me.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer.
Yes, the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is Norway.
Yes, very nice, Dev. And you were the first one to give this answer. Okay. Then the next question. The next question is.
Ma'am, what is the next question?
The next
Ma'am, but
question.
time is not there. Ma'am, only 1 minute left, please.
Okay. In athletics, what is the length of the track?
Ma'am, now 3 questions are end. Ma'am, now please
Okay,
tell
yes.
me.
Now I will tell. Now see, children. How many questions I asked you in all?
Ma'am, 1, 2.
Prasun Gangwar was the one to give me one answer most quickly, the fastest. Okay. Then it was Lakshita also one time to give the answer very fast. Then after that, there is a tie between Dev Arya and Iram Naz. 3 each. 3 times Iram and 3 times Dev. 3 times Dev were the ones to give the answer very fast. But our winner of the day is Utsav Gangwar.
Ma'am, how many times I?
1, 2. No, Varun, you were always the second beta. Just by 1 second, you were left.
Ma'am, I brought my image back.
So Utsav was.
Ma'am, I was
Utsav
all the
gave
time
6
second.
times his answer very quickly. He was the first one.
Ma'am,
6
I was
times.
all the time second.
Yes, you were all the time second. Mostly second, mostly. No problem. Still, this is a very good improvement. Earlier, you did not used to come second also.
Ma'am, the time is ended.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
so
brought my
it's
image back that day.
good. Now, next class also, we are going to do some fun activity.
So,
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Have a good
ma'am,
10 minutes break.
break.